My name is Travis Stitt, and I'm the co-owner of Fox Brazen Photography, but I also help corporations, executives, and smaller businesses achieve their strategic goals. Generally speaking, corporations have a very structured organizational system. And the way that it normally works, at the very top is a board of directors and stockholders. In the middle is a chief executive officer, and then underneath the chief executive officer is all these other chiefs, as they like to call them. Chief information officer, chief financial officer, chief operational officer, etc. And all of the chiefs run very specific portions of their business while reporting to the chief executive officer. Now, you, as a small business owner, need to be all of these positions. You might have some people filling in and helping carry the load, depending on the size of your business, but it is one of these situations where we're commonly told you need to be the chief executive officer of your company. So what does that really mean? And not only that, what does it mean to wear the hats of all the other chiefs in the business?